Hi, mathletes. I've had a variety of questions on scoring in the Canvas quizzes, especially with the multiple choice questions. So I thought I would just make a quick video to help you out. So let's pretend that this is a quiz question in Canvas and it's worth 4 points. Those are indicated in your quizzes. And your job is to select all of the following statements that are true about Nicole. And then I left you 4 statements. You gotta select one of each of them. What you don't know behind the scenes is how many of these are true. So you don't know how many to select. So if we go about the scoring procedure, this thing is worth 4 points, and I know that 3 of the statements are true. And so what this tells me, and will tell you from here on out, is that each correct response that is given, so each correct response that you give is worth 4/3 of a point. And that's in a positive direction. And then each incorrect response that's given is worth negative 4/3 of a point. And I know it's a weird fraction, but hang in there with me. So, armed with that, if a person gets 2 incorrect responses and 2 correct responses, then they would get 2 sets of positive 4/3 and 2 sets of negative 4/3. And when we figure all of this out, they would have no points for that question. If they get 3 correct, they'll have 3 sets of positive 4/3 plus 1 set of negative 4/3. And so then let's see, this is 12/3 minus 4/3. They would get 8/3 of a point, or that would probably say something like 2.67 points in Canvas, something like that. If they get 2 correct and none incorrect, this isn't great phrasing on my part. They actually missed 1 that they should have put in there. 2 correct and, let me just change it, 1 incorrect. They would have 2 sets of 4/3 and 1 set of negative 4/3. And so this will be 8/3 minus 4/3, which is 4/3. And I think Canvas would probably say 1.33 points, but it might round up and give you the benefit of the doubt at 1.34. I didn't double check on that part. And so then that takes care of this one. I'm not quite sure what I was thinking over there. Remember yesterday I was sick, and so I'm still kind of lagging here a little bit behind things. So this is kind of how those work. And if you have questions about a particular one, please let me know. I did want to pop back to this. So in the ones in here that are true about me, this one's true. I like to make pies. I do like true crime podcasts and things like that, and unsolved mysteries. I like that stuff. Let's see, I did once ride my bicycle around Lake Michigan, and this is actually the opposite way. A long time ago in college, my husband was my boss, and that just blows my son's mind that his dad was ever my boss. So this is the one that is incorrect. So hopefully now you have some indicators on how that multiple choice stuff gets scored in Canvas. And remember that in Dr. Chu's videos, he recommends not giving up points that are essentially on the free side of things. So if I offer up some opportunities to make up for some things on quizzes, please take me up on those. Okay? If you need anything, reach out. Otherwise, have a great day.